Not ready for harsh truths about Amazon KDP? Skip this video. But if you are serious about understanding the reality of making money on Amazon KDP, stay with me. After 5 years of self-publishing with Amazon KDP, I have seen it all. What works, what doesn't, and what nobody talks about. Today, I am sharing it all in just 5 minutes. So let's get into it. My first piece of advice might be hard to swallow. Don't be naive. When you search YouTube for Amazon KDP, you will find tons of popular videos with flashy claims like make $10,000 per month with Amazon KDP or earn $2,000 a month with this simple coloring book. While those numbers aren't impossible, the truth is they are highly unlikely if you are just starting out. If you are watching these videos and believing that anyone can achieve those results simply by following their steps, you are setting yourself up for disappointment. My advice? Stop wasting your time on these clickbait promises and don't blindly trust the advice from popular YouTubers. Think about it. If making $10,000 a month with ease was really that simple, do you think anyone would be handing over these secrets on YouTube? Also, if a niche is being showcased in these videos, chances are it's already oversaturated, or it will be soon. Always approach this business with caution and realism. My next piece of advice: be consistent and persistent. Don't expect to make money quickly with Amazon KDP, especially with low content or medium content books like coloring books and puzzle books. Unless you already have experience with similar business models like print on demand, Etsy, or selling physical products online through Amazon FBA, it's going to take time. You need to understand that Amazon KDP is not easy money. Like any business, there's a learning curve, and how long it takes depends on your background and how much time you dedicate to learning and executing. To give you some perspective, as I have mentioned in a previous video, I published my first low content book on July 31st, 2019. It took me 7 months to make my first $100 and 18 months to hit $1,000. But here's the catch: my timeline might not apply to everyone. I already had experience selling physical products online, and I treated Amazon KDP only as a side hustle at the time, working on it for a couple of hours a day. Some of you might see results faster, but let me be clear, it's not going to happen overnight or even in a month. I published this book on February 4, 2023, and it sold fewer than 15 copies by October 2024. However, in just one day, it sold nearly 250 copies organically, generating $450 in a single day. As you can see, results take time, but persistence pays off. My next advice: don't rely solely on tools, learn how to do manual keyword research. While keyword research tools can save time, the most reliable tool remains the Amazon search bar. Since starting with KDP, I have relied entirely on manual keyword research. It's the foundation for finding profitable niches and ranking organically. Although it takes longer, manual research gives a deeper understanding of your niche. I have a video series on my channel explaining my process, but I encourage you to develop your own method too. That said, things are changing. Amazon's new AI assistant Rufus could transform keyword research by providing personalized search results. What works today may not work tomorrow, so stay tuned for updates and strategies as this evolves. Another crucial piece of advice: learn professional design tools. If you are in the KDP community, you have likely seen posts about account terminations. While the full details are often unclear, account owners rarely share everything and tend to blame KDP. One common reason is to use Canva elements or ready-made templates from sites like Creative Fabrica, which can lead to copyright issues and account closures. To avoid this, I recommend learning professional design tools like Adobe Illustrator, Photoshop, or InDesign. These tools allow you to create unique files that protect your account and help you stand out. There are tutorials on my channel and free resources available online. Plus, these tools now include AI features that make them easier to use. Adobe offers a free trial, and I will leave a link in the description if you want to give it a try. If you are just starting out or can't justify the cost yet, don't worry, I also have a video showing how to create unique interiors with ChatGPT's free version by simply writing prompts. I think it's a great alternative and a game changer for KDP beginners. Now let me speed things up a bit so we can wrap this up in around 5 minutes. If you are using AI tools to create images, always check the tool's copyright policy and be transparent with Amazon KDP about using AI-generated content in your files. Keep in mind that AI-generated images are increasingly detectable. Techniques like analyzing metadata, identifying unique digital fingerprints, and examining patterns or artifacts left by generative models are already in use. Amazon likely has systems in place to recognize such content, so it's better to be upfront about it. Success in any business requires adaptability, and Amazon KDP is no different. Right now, I strongly recommend learning about Amazon's Cosme algorithm and its AI shopping assistant Rufus. Start optimizing your listing with these developments in mind and use this knowledge to your advantage, especially since not many creators are talking about these topics yet. If you are interested, I have already covered them in detail in some videos on my channel. Finally, despite all the challenges I have mentioned, I still believe Amazon KDP is profitable and worth trying. Personally, there are days when I earn around $100 without spending a dime on ads, and if I can do it, so can you. The reason I didn't include advice about learning Amazon ads in this video isn't that I don't recommend them, it's simply because I don't have any personal data to share yet. Once I start using ads, I will make a separate video covering that topic. I hope this video didn't come across as too negative. My goal was to share the harsh realities about Amazon KDP so you can approach it with realistic expectations. Wishing you a successful year ahead and the best of luck on your KDP journey. See you in the next video.